सब्सक्राइब कीजिए भारत योगा यूट्यूब चैनल को, सब्सक्राइब बटन प्रेस करें और बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करना ना भूलें हमारे वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। और ये बिल्कुल फ्री है।
Namaste, I am Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you to this Sunday special episode of Yoga with Acharya Pratishtha. We are receiving so many requests from all of you wonderful people. We apologize if we are not able to take all the requests and we are not able to make videos on all the requests sent by you. But still we are trying our best to make maximum videos to help all of you. Well, many requests are there where our Matra Shakti, our female subscribers, followers wants to know those exercises, those yogic kriyas which can be done during their periods. See, there are different phases. One is if you don't have regular periods, then what you should do. If you have painful periods, then what you should do. And those kriyas, you need to practice them in your day-to-day life, not during the menstrual period. And even when we talk about the do's and don'ts of yoga, what we say is, do not practice yoga abhyas during your menstrual period. Now, another aspect is still some practices should be done during that period. Why? To release your back pain, to release your leg pain. Sometimes women feel nausea during their periods. Now, for 3 to 5 days of your menstrual period, depending on your body, 3 days or 5 days, you need to practice these 2 to 3 practices which I'm sharing in this video. तो जब भी आपका मासिक धर्म है उस अवधि में आप इन क्रियाओं का अभ्यास करें तो आप देखेंगे कि सर चकराना, गैस हो जाना, कमर में दर्द हो जाना, पैरों में दर्द रहना, थकान रहना, ये सब में आपको बहुत आराम मिलेगा. So watch these wonderful practices and not just only watch them, practice it in your day-to-day life.
Lie down on your back, interlock your fingers. While inhaling, lift up your arms and stretch your entire body. Upper half should be stretched towards upper side and lower half towards lower side. Hold this position as long as comfortable. And then, while exhaling, bring your hands down, relax. Practice it 3 to 4 times. Kati Chakra step 2. Lie down on your back, fold your legs. Try to touch your heels to your hips. Bring them closer as much as possible without giving any stress to your body. Interlock your fingers and keep your palms under your head. Keep your elbows firm on the ground. While inhaling, twist your legs towards left side and your neck towards right side. Hold this position as long as comfortable. While exhaling, come back to the base position. While inhaling, practice it to another side. Make sure knees are together, feet are together throughout the entire practice, and elbows are firm on the ground. You can practice it 5 times to one side and 5 times to another side. It will make you relaxed, especially for your back pain. Gently bring your hands back. Sarpagati. For Sarpagati, lie down on your abdomen and place your palms under your chin. Elbows on the floor, feet together. One step move ahead your elbows and then feel the pressure at the back of your neck. Now slowly bring your elbows closer to your chest as much as possible and feel its effect at the lower back. This is 1 round. You can practice 3 to 5 rounds. Relax. Kakasan. For Kakasan, again lie down on the floor on your stomach. While inhaling, lift up your face and your chest and your abdomen, keeping your spine straight. Inhale more and twist toward your right side. Look at your heels. Exhale and back. Inhale, twist towards left side, look at your heels, exhale and back. This is 1 round. You can practice 3 to 5 rounds and you will see that there will be no pain left if you practice these kriyas every single day. Shashank Bhujanga Gati. Again, lie down on your abdomen. While inhaling, lift up your face and your chest and try to bend back as much as possible. And then while exhaling, push your hips back, place your hips at your heels, bend forward as much as possible, Stay in this position as long as possible and then gently come back and sit in Vajrasana.
Do not forget to like our channel, subscribe to our channel, share these videos with your loved ones, and do not forget to watch our upcoming episode next Sunday. Dhanyavad. Hari Om.
I hope you found this video helpful. I will be uploading a new video every Sunday. Subscribe to this channel and stay connected to us. You can also like, comment, share, and send your feedback. You can also join us at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.